For life experiences, we use present perfect tense. Structure: subject plus have or has plus V3. Examples: positive: I have gone. He has gone. Negative: I haven't gone. He hasn't gone. Question: have you gone? Has he gone? We use ever in questions, never in answers. But we don't use never in positive answers. Example question: have you ever been to Ooty? Positive answer: yes, I have been to Ooty once. Negative answer: no, I have never been to Ooty. Example questions with ever. Have you ever driven a sports car? Have you ever seen a rainbow? Have you ever swum in the ocean? Has your sister ever sung in public? Have you ever flown in a helicopter? Have you ever wanted to be a singer? Have you ever listened to this song? Have you ever visited the Taj Mahal? Have you ever eaten Chinese food? Example answers with never. Now, let us discuss some affirmative sentences. I have never worn jeans before. I have never eaten a burger. I have never been to Raju's home. I have been to Raju's home twice. I have never cooked pongal before. I have never seen such a big fish. I have never travelled by train before. I have travelled by train several times. Our dog has never bitten anyone. Our dog has bitten my kin once. He has never been sick in his life. My car has never broken down. I have drunk coffee here many times. I have never drunk coffee here before. I have never done anything wrong in my life. If you think this video is useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.